In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to install Git on a Mac and how to switch between these two versions. Let's dive right in. Hi, I'm Raphael, a passionate developer and computer science teacher. Here you will find coding vlogs, step-by-step tutorials and motivation to start programming and to stay on track. The easiest way to install Git is using Apple's developer tools. Use the command Xcode -select --install. This will command you to install the Xcode Command Line Tools, which includes Git and other developer essentials. The download and installation process of the developer tools may take a while. After it's done, you can check if Git is installed by typing git --version. This version of Git is usually a bit older, but totally fine for getting started. Now, if you want a new version of Git or prefer managing your developer tools yourself, let's use Homebrew, a popular package manager for macOS. If you don't have Homebrew installed yet, no worries. I'll link a video where I walk you through the installation step by step on a brand new MacBook. If you already have Homebrew, just open your terminal and run brew install git. And that's it. Homebrew will download and install the latest version of Git for you. I will also link a beginner's guide on how to create a GitHub account and use Git to push your code on GitHub, create branches and fork repositories. By default, your Mac might still be using the older system Git. Let's switch to the Homebrew version. You can check your version by using the command which and git. You can update your path variable temporarily by using the command export path, opt homebrew and binary path. The path is a list of folders your computer checks to find programs when you type a command in the terminal. When you run something like Git, your system looks through the folders in path to find the right version. Sometimes you install a newer version of a program like Git in a different folder, and your system might still use the older one. You tell your computer to check the Homebrew folder first. This way, it uses the newer Git version instead of the default system version. Now check again which Git. If this shows the Homebrew path, you're now using the latest version. And that's it. You now know how to install Git on macOS using both the command line developer tools and Homebrew, and how to switch between them. If this helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe for more programming related content.